Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cleaning out the chicken coop, and also this video is sponsored by Grub Terra, black soldier fly larvae. Yeah, just lift up and just lift straight up and pull out. Guys, we're getting ready to clean out our coop here.
Move that.
We did the what do you want to call it, deep litter method for the winter. It worked out really well, and we got a lot in here. Show you what it looks like before and how much. It's actually pretty deep back in the corners and stuff there where they roost. So yeah, let's get this cleaned out and we'll see what it looks like. All right, he's getting it all dug out of the corners. Haley's out dumping the wagon. All right, let's see if they like it. Scatter some out there for them. Oh, we figured they would. Look at them. They love it. I'll make sure these girls get some. Toss them over there, see if they... Yeah, I'd say they like it.
Please move. Give me the shovel.
You're making more of a mess now. I guess it's time to go empty it. At Grub Terra, we strive to provide high quality and healthy products for your pets. Our dried black soldier fly larvae are a perfect feed additive for your flock to keep them healthy and happy all year round. Grub Terra's black soldier fly larvae are also environmentally friendly. Grub Terra and our partner farms feed our black soldier fly larvae pre-consumer food waste from supermarkets. Every 1 pound of Grub Terra's dried black soldier fly larvae equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfills. All right, we got our new feed box in here. We're gonna get it filled up with layer mash. This one here has high protein pellets in it. And actually the bottom of it, we did a little bit of layer mash to see how it worked, and it worked good, so we got another one. So once they get finished with that layer mash down there, they'll be getting to the high protein. In fact, some of them are already coming through there. But yeah, we got our coop cleaned out, getting ready to put sawdust back down. Girls are already getting ready to come back in and roost. Alan, stop. Chicken doesn't like that. All right, kick out around, spread it around with your feet.
Well, chicken is clean, so
Well, they're not going to know what to do with some new, let's open the door here quick. Got that? Alright. Alright, bag number 2. Girls are all lining up out here waiting to get in. Here, take this and cut down the side and just dump the whole thing. Just try not to dump it on those blocks you're standing on. It's kind of dull right at the moment, so. We got a chicken all the way up there on the top on that shelf. That shelf has been converted into their new, I guess their bunk bed, their real high roost. They love it up there. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna get this kicked around. Kick some right back in that corner. Good deal. They'll take care of the rest. Just kick some back underneath there, so all the floor's covered, and they'll spread the rest out. Trust me. Don't even worry about kicking it out here to the door. Kick some under there. Good job. Like a new hotel. We got to put a little bit in some of those N2 roosts there. They're getting kind of low. Put a couple handfuls in there. Awesome. Good job. They'll do the rest. All right, bring the water in. Oh, we got to get the other roost up there. I don't know where you put it. Nothing better than a clean coop, fresh sawdust. Just putting the rest of the roost back. Yeah, they can be tricky. Yep, good deal. We'll get that bottom one in there. A little dirty. There you go. Grab the hammer from over there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us clean out. That's how we clean out our coop. And don't forget, check out Grub Terra at www.grubterra.com and get you some black fly larvae, black soldier fly larvae, sorry. And it's great for chickens, reptiles, fish, and birds. Remember to check them out. All right, guys, our honest opinion about Grub Terra, is the birds love it, and we've noticed that their shells are harder and we get a lot less cracked shells.